Okay, you have f of x is equal to 3x minus 7. Letter A, f of A. So what will we do? Yung f of x, papalitan natin ng, lahat ng x, palitan natin ng 8. So that would be 3 times 8 minus 7 equal to 24 minus 7 will give us 70. How about you have letter B? F of 2y. Lahat ng x, papalitan ng 2y. Nakuha nyo? So, 3 times, lahat ng x, palitan ng 2y minus, 2y minus 7 is equal to 6y minus 7. Can you follow? Can you follow? Yes? Okay, next. Oh, meron pa pala doon. How about x, letter D? Let's do letter D. This is letter C. Oh, letter D. F of x minus 1. Lahat ng x, palitan ng x minus 1. Tama? So, 3 times x minus 1 minus 7. So, 3x. Tama? 3x minus 3 minus 7 equal to 3x minus 10. Okay? Okay? O medyo mabilis tayo ha kasi kailangan natin matapos yung lesson natin. Okay. And then all the others, you can already follow that. Okay lang? Practice at home. And then we have, okay, number 4. How about number 4? In f of x equal to x squared minus 3x plus 4, letter A, what is the value of f of x when x is equal to 1? Ang haba-haba. Oh. When x is equal to 1, that is basically f of 1. Diba? Okay, so that would be 1 squared minus 3 times 1 plus 4. And then 1 minus 3 plus 4. So that is 2. F of 1 is the letter B. What is or are the value or values of x when f of x, okay, letter I, f of x is equal to 32. Given na yung value ng f of x. Ano ang tinatanong?
X.
What is x? Tama? Okay, so how are we going to do this?
Equate. Tapos,
No.
equal sa
Ano? Sige, kaya mo yan.
equation ma'am is equal to 38.
Okay. Bakit? Kasi f of x is equal to 32. Ano yung f of x?
Equation.
Ma'am, eto. Ito yung f of x. Which is equal to
32.
Okay? So, 32 equal to x squared minus 3x plus 4. Ang problema nyo, solve nyo ngayon yung x. Okay? Okay. So, that would be 0 equal to x squared minus 3x minus 28. Anong process? Factoring by? Factoring by trial and error. Is it a perfect square trinomial? No. So you do it by trial and error. What are the factors of x? X and x. What are the factors of 28? Negative 7 and 4. So the other is negative, the other is positive. Okay? So what are the values now of x? You have, this is 0, so x minus 7 equals 0, and x plus 4 equals 0. So x here is equal to 7, x here is equal to negative 4. Okay? O, meron pa ba? O, number 14 is similar. Okay? O, how about number 5? Ayan na tayo sa number 5. How about if you have a piecewise function? Okay. You have a piecewise function. F of x, ito yon. Now, take note that you have limits. May domain tayo dito. Now, what is f of negative 5? Letter A. So, what will you do? Substitute, correct. Pero saan? Sa lahat ba? No. What will you do? Saan napapaloob si negative 5? Sa limits. Okay? Okay, very good. So, uy, nagbasa talaga si Nancy. Okay, negative 5. If x is negative 5, where will you substitute? Doon sa taas. So, negative 3 minus
I'm videoing the lecture.
negative 5. Okay? Okay? And the answer now is positive. Okay, letter B. Where is f of negative 1? Negative 1. Saan ulit siya napapaloob? Sa
Second.
pangalawa. So that is negative 1 plus 3 equal to
2.
positive. Naku, parang ito lahat ang sagot dito. O, f of 0.
3.
F of 0. Sa pangalawa pa rin. Okay, y.
Equal to 0.
This, ma'am, parang namang 0. Pero this one is equal.
Great.
So, dito ka. Okay? Pag may equal dito, it's not a function. Okay? So, you have 0 plus 3. Hindi nga. Ay! 3. Sabi ko kanina, 2 lahat. Ang sagot, 2 naman ang sinulat ko. Okay, letter D. F of 1/2. Where is 1/2? Nasa third. Okay? So that would be 3 minus 2 times 1/2. And that is, this is 1, 3 minus 1. 1. Ay,
Two.
hindi mo. 2 yan. Okay. Letter E. F of 2.
Third.
Sa third. Third?
Yes.
Ayoko sa third.
Third.
Eh?
No, third.
Ay, sa third nga. Okay. F of 2, so that would be 3 minus 2 times 2 is equal to
Negative
1. And lastly, you have letter F, F of 10. Okay, the last. 0.5 of 10 minus 4.5. What is 0.5 of 10? 5 minus 4.5? 0.5. Okay. Kung ano ang given, yun ang sagot. Kung ang given ay decimal, ang sagot, decimal. Kung ang given ay fraction, ang sagot, fraction. Eh ma'am, paano kung whole number? Tapos ang sagot, fraction or decimal? Oo nga, no? Fraction. Fraction tayo. Okay? Unless kapag, kasi mas madaling magsulat, let's say 1/3. What's the counterpart of 1/3 in decimal? 0.3. Eh pag nag-round off tayo, 33 is not 1/3. Diba? So mas maganda yung fraction. Okay po? So fraction tayo. Okay, now. Yan. Ay. Exercises lang ito. Ay, pareho lang yata. Oo nga, pareho lang. Ay, exercises. I think I gave this to your, sa ano natin.
Hindi po.
Hindi po.
Hindi.
Ma'am, yung sinagot po natin, yung nabigay mo.
Ay, yun ang binigay ko.
Yes, ma'am.
Mali. Okay. Anyway, number 5. Tingnan niyo natin. Number 5. Pero parang mas maganda pag ito. What is, ay, yan yun. Sorry po, wait lang, hanap tayo ng mas magandang. Yeah. Number 5. What is g of negative 5?
First one.
Wait lang, tatawag mo ako. Okay. Gising. What is g of negative 5?
25.
G of negative 5?
25.
G of negative 5? Sigurado ka? Sigurado ka? Sure.
Paano mo siya
Paano
nasabi
naging
agad?
25?
Ano mo na? Substitute mo na yung sa kanila.
Bakit 25?
Negative 5 squared is 25.
Nakapunod siya eh.
Kasi yun lang yung
Bakit seryoso siya? O bakit 25?
Negative
Kasi-
5 squared.
Negative 5 squared is 25.
25. Negative, parang x squared.
Oh, if x is, ayan, if x is negative, if x is less than 1, the answer you square, Negative 5 times negative 5?
25.
Okay, what is g of 1?
9.
G of 1?
9.
G of 1.05. What is g of 1.9999?
3.
Nakuha niyo? Nasundan niyo?
Yes.
Tumatawa na siya eh. Sigurado ka? Okay, saan dyan? Lahat! Oh my gosh, lahat! Okay, so if you are going to evaluate a function, especially if it's a piecewise function, you just substitute. Alam mo ang substitute? Alam mo ang substitute? So, okay, g of negative 5. Asan si negative 5? Tingnan lang dito. Okay? Negative 5, saan siya? Is it less than or equal to 1? Is it between 1 and 2 or greater than 2? Okay, less than 1. Nandun siya sa negative, di ba? Eh ma'am, kasi mas madaling graph na lang. Pwede graph na lang ibigay mo, ma'am? Pwede naman. Okay. Walang graph, di ba? So, negative 5. Nasaan si negative 5? Nandito siya. So, dito ka mag-substitute. Wag dito, wag dito. Okay? Negative 5. So, negative 5 squared, that would be 20. That would be your answer. Ma'am, paano yung dalawa? Kawawa naman. Oo, hindi sila napapanood dyan eh. O, gamitin mo sila mamaya. Okay. Oh, paano kung yung 1.05? Nasaan si 1.05? That's between 1 and 2. So, ang sagot mo, lagi, 3. Okay? Okay? What is 1.5? If x is 1.5. If x is 1.25. Bakit? 1. If it's 2. Ay, oo nga. If it's 2, it's 3. Okay. Oo nga, ito yun. Okay, let's do g of 100. No. Ay, oo. 100. No, akala ko kay square ko. Okay. So, if g of 100 is
Ay, ano to?
g of 50.
Nag-video ko ng lecture ko. Yeah, sure.
Kasi g.
Hindi naman nakikita.
Ano to? G of x
Kaya,
is equal to.
importante ito marinig ko.
Diba? Okay?
Pinipicturean ko lang din para
Pag
makita ko.
gagamitin nyo ang graph, mas madali. Titignan nyo lang.
Sabi ko
paano
kanya
nyo
magdala
tignan
ng
nyo
foam
na?
stand dito.
May away to the- Pero okay na yan. Kaya nyo naman na eh. Okay? O, question. May katanungan ba? May katanungan? O, how about this one? What is h of negative 5?
Wait.
O, tingnan ulit dito. Saan si negative 5? Is it less than 3 or greater than negative 3 or greater than negative 3?
Less than.
So, saan tayo mag-substitute? Okay? How are you going to do that? Okay. That would be number 6. It's h of x. H of x equal to x plus 5 over x minus 1 if x is less than or equal to negative 3 and 4x plus 9 if x is greater than negative 3. Okay? So what is h of negative 5? So negative 5 ulit.
Bilis yan.
Sa una or pangalawa? Nasa una siya. So you substitute now negative 5 where? Dun sa expression na yan, ulit sa equation na yan. So, negative 5 plus 5. Okay. Negative 5 plus 5.
Zero.
Divide by any number.
Zero.
0.
Negative 0. Nag-record ako, tapos nag-screen record din ako. Ha? Hindi ako pinagad ko dyan.
Okay. Okay. Next.
Last
Paano
na ba to?
yung h of H of negative 1. Where is negative 1? First or second? Second. So, 4 times negative 1 plus 9. And that is 5. Okay? Sige nga, itago niyo yung mga daliri niyo. Naku po. Oh my gosh. Hindi ko alam kung ano eh. Kung okay na ba tayo. Yes!
May calculator po ba sa quiz?
Wala. No calculator. You're not allowed to use it.
Why?
Paano yung graph?
Siyempre. Negative 5 plus 5. Yes.
Pinapatanong po ni paano ulit po yung graph? Pinapatanong po ni President.
Graphical, ano to? Evaluation using the graph. Okay. O sige, ayan. O tingnan natin.
Ako din.
Mahirap ba ang graph? Okay, kunwari, ito, arrow, may arrow doon may arrow doon.
Ang
Tapos may
African
arrow
kita
dito.
yun, ba?
Okay? If x is 0, what is y? If x is 0, what
How
is
is
f
there
of
one more?
x?
20 minutes yung last subject? 20 minutes yung last
Tama,
subject?
sa x. If x is 0, tapos, tingnan niyo yung katapat niya sa graph.
25.
Siyempre, nagkakaroon na nandyan yung graph. So, 0 ang y. If x is negative 1, if x is negative 1, what is f of x? Hanapin ninyo sa graph. Okay? Nandito siya. So, ano to? Katapat niya doon. It's 1. So, f of x is 1. If x is negative 1, f of x is negative 1. If x is 1, f of x is 1. If x is 1.5, if x is 1.5, asaan yung graph? Nasaan yung graph? Nandun sa taas. Anong counterpart nito? Okay? O, isa pa sa graph. F of negative 5. F of negative, ay, aliitin kasi yung graph. If x is, ay naku po. Okay, if x, hindi nakikita, sorry. If x is negative 5, ma'am, hindi ko nakita. 1, 2, hindi ko nga rin nakikita kung ano yun. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, if x is negative, if x is 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. What is y? 1, 2. Kasi nandito yung x natin, di ba? Anak, nakakalito naman ito ba? Kunwari, alam na? Okay. Negative 1, negative 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Basta may grid natin po siya. 1. This is your x-axis. This is your y-axis. Oh, if x is 1, 2, 3, 4. If x is 4, what is y? Okay. If this is 4, ang y ko nandito sa graph, anong katapat nito? 2.5. Negative. Ganon. Medyo hindi mas nakikita yan. Ito na lang. Mas maganda. Oh, ang laki-laki naman na siguro ng number dyan. Ano? Oh, if x is 0, what is f of 0? 3. If x is 0, f of 0 is 3. May ano? Yes.
Ang daw ay domain and range ng graph.
Domain and range.
Piecewise po,
The domain of a piecewise function. Okay, pagdating natin sa domain ng piecewise function. Ay, wait lang.
Pwede naman nasa
May
ban ko na.
katanungan ka ba dito? Dito muna tayo before we go to the piecewise function. Okay na tayo sa evaluation graphically. May nalilito pa? Just raise your hand. Yes.
Ano po pala yung set evaluation, set notation, and interval?
Mamaya. Wait lang. Eto muna tayo. Dito. May katanungan dito? Are you sure? 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 Okay kayo? Okay na. Pag-graphical. Okay. Punta ngayon tayo sa domain and range. Sa domain and range, ng piecewise function, tingnan nyo lang yung parts na, di ba pag domain is the x? Yung domain natin is x. O may arrow doon, di ba? Ibig sabihin, pag may arrow, continuous hanggang doon. Hanggang doon sa taas. Tama? Okay, kapag x, ito ang titingnan ninyo. Ito. Yan. Hanggang dyan. Pero yun, arrow, ibig sabihin, continuous hanggang doon. Ito, continuous hanggang doon. So, it's from negative infinity to positive infinity. Tama ba? Pero, tingnan ninyo yung baka may bilog dyan. Hindi nag-exist. So, if x, tingnan nyo, okay, may bilog doon, it's empty. Pero, may katapat siya na value. So, ibig sabihin, may, ano tawag dito? Pinunan ang kakulangan. Ang laki naman doon. Diba ito, parang nag-fit in siya doon. So, ibig sabihin, may value pa rin. Okay? Eh, paano dito? May value. Eh, paano kung lalagyan ko siya ng bilog? Walang value dyan. Tama? So, your domain will be from negative infinity to 0. Yun, 0 to positive infinity. Ibig sabihin, wala kang value sa gitna. How are you going to write the domain of that? The domain will be from negative infinity to 0. Yun, 0 to positive. Empty. Pag may empty. Kasi paano kung may shaded region yan? Shaded yan. Kasama, di ba? Kasama siya. Eh, kung kasama, ganyan, tama? Kasama.